all SADC member states affirmed their commitment to the implementation of the revised SADC principles and guidelines. The principles and guidelines provide an objective and scientific methodology for the observation of elections in order to contribute to the consolidation of democracy in the region by enhancing best electoral practices and addressing any electoral shortcomings. The principles and guidelines are also informed by key instruments of the African Union, such as the African Charter for Democracy, Elections and Governance 2004, as well as the relevant Convention of the United Nations. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, consistent with the revised SADC principles and guidelines governing democratic elections, the deployment of the SADC Election Observation Mission was preceded by pre-election assessment and goodwill mission of the SADC Electoral Advisory Council from 18 to 25 August 2019. In assessing the level of preparedness for the country to hold the elections, the SEAC mission to the Republic of Botswana noted, among other issues,